Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So, magkukwento lang ako, no? Kanina tumawag si Mrs. Sabi niya, katuwa naman daw si AJ kasi um, sinabi niya sa mami niya na nagko-compose daw siya. Nagko-compose siya sa cello. Sa cello? Yeah, cello niya. And what's that about? Why did your mom mention Mozart?
Something.
Is that what you're composing?
No.
Why did you mention Mozart?
I don't know.
And then your mom mentioned that we've been playing Mozart when you were inside her tummy, right? And you don't know that.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, hindi niya alam yun. Kahapon niya lang nalaman na nung nasa loob siya ng tiyan ng mami niya, nagpapatugtog na kami ng Mozart. Kasi may nabasa kaming article na gano'n na kahit fetus pa lang daw, nakakarinig na. Totoo naman, dati nanood kami ng basketball game, ang ingay, bigla bumukol yan eh. Bigla bumukol yung tiyan eh. Kagano, nanigas yung tiyan eh. Pagka maingay. Kaya, yung time na, when weekend, nagpe-play kami ng Mozart na songs. Tapos, maski nung naging baby niya, lumabas na siya, nagpapatugtog din kami habang nasa crib siya. Nakalimutan na namin yun. Eh ngayon, tutuwa yung mami niya kasi are you composing a song?
Maybe.
Okay. Using his cello. Okay. Let them hear. No.
Can you
Go.
stop the clip?
Go.
Can you stop the clip? Can you stop? Wait. Hold up. I need a moment.
Okay, go.
I need to like practice first.
Just go. Just do what you do. Nakaka-conscious daw siya.
Dad, this stuff.
Go.
Dad. Wait, I need to practice it. I need like before I actually play.
Sige na. Do what you gotta do.
Okay.
Hmm.
Okay, Dad. Did you stop it? Did you stop it? Dad, did you stop it? Yeah, you stopped it. Yeah. Oh yeah, you stopped it.
Go.
Dad,
Go.
did you stop it?
No, I can't. I'm not gonna edit this.
Dad,
I'm gonna upload this directly.
Oh, come
Go.
on, Dad, you got it.
Go.
Oh, no.
Yung cello niya.
Oh, I made a mistake here. Okay.
Okay?
Wait.
Go.
Let me do something else. Hold on. Okay, wait.
What are you doing?
I gotta do something.
No, just play a few minutes.
Wait, Dad.
A small clip.
I do need to edit this. This will take a bit.
Come on, AJ, my thing is running.
Oh.
Ayan. So, sabi ko magbigay siya ng sample. Pinapahira niya yan. What do you call that? What do you call that?
What?
Yan.
Oh, rosin.
What?
Rosin.
What?
Rosin.
Ryzen?
Rosin.
Rosin?
R-O-S-I-N.
Rosin? Rosen?
Rosin.
Okay. Go, play, AJ. Come on. My video is... Go.
Yeah, what if I mess up?
Just go.
What if I mess up?
It's okay.
What?
It's okay, go, play.
What do you mean it's okay?
Yes.
Yeah.
Go.
Yeah. Yeah.
Galing ah. Ito naman ano, mas maliit.
No.
Come on. O yun, ito ka naman yung miss ko. Ito rin ako kasi hindi namin sinasabi sa kanya yun, no, na ano, nagpapatugtog kami dati ng Mozart. No, just so happy na mention niya kahapon daw na naggagawa daw, nagko-compose siya. No? Siguro sabi niya, siguro may na-trigger sa kanya, you know, yung forgotten memory. Kasi meron talaga studies na ano na kahit fetus ka pa lang, nakakarinig ka na, tsaka nagdi-dream. No? So, hindi ko alam kung totoo, pero ito yan, sinishare ko sa inyo. Coincidence ba na nung baby siya, nasa loob pa ng womb, nagpapatugtog na kami, tapos ngayon, nagkakaroon siya ng interest sa music. Kaya nga, di ba, sabi ko, sulit naman na yung ano, yung binili ko. Kung napanood niyo yung live ko na isang live stream ko na gabing-gabi, nag-drive ako na isang oras para pick upin sa Facebook Marketplace yung maliit na cello. Akala ko nga violin Maliit na cello pala yon. Pero mukhang violin siya Sabi ko, as a parent, sulit naman yung pagod. Tsaka yung danger. Alas 10 kasi, inabot ako 9 o'clock to pick up, alas 10 pa uwi. Mura lang yung kuha. Hey, play it over here! AJ, play it over here. Come on. Just a small clip. Just a small clip. Yeah. Sit over there.
Yeah, I don't have.
Anyway, just what's the usual thing?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, that's it. Remember?
I forgot.
Come on, let them hear. Okay. Ito yung binili ko nun, guys, gabing-gabi sa marketplace.
Yeah.
Okay, go. Yan, so just kasi, pero pagka kami lang kaya niya mahaba. Pero kita nyo late, no? Cello pala yan. Conscious ayaw nga niya magpa-video. Anyway, so advice lang, no, sa mga expecting mothers, no? Totoo ba na pagka pinarinig mo yung anak mo magiging genius, magiging ano? Hindi natin alam. Pero ito, long term to, no? Imagine nyo, 13 years old na si AJ. Parang ngayon lumabas yung ano niya yung interest niya sa music. Ngayon lumabas yung interest niya sa music. Tapos magko-compose na siya ng song. Hindi natin alam. No? So I think kesa naman, 'di ba? Kesa naman yung wala kayong gawin o may gawin kayo na hindi maganda, mas maganda na yung gano'n. Magpatugtog kayo ng music na yung mga classical, lalo na yung Mozart daw, nakaka-stimulate daw ng brain yan ng fetus daw kaya hindi ko alam, pero ito sinishare ko sa inyo, long term report. 13 years old na si AJ, ngayon lumabas yung yung interest niya sa music. Dati hindi naman siya nagaganyan ngayon nagpabili siya sa akin ng cello, tapos may pinapabili pa siyang isang instrument. Sabi ko nga sa kanya, mag-master muna siya dyan sa dalawa Interesado pa siya sa isang. What's the other instrument that you want to buy?
An oboe.
Oboe?
Oboe.
Let them hear the song. Come on.
Yeah.
Come on.
I'm too
What's the
nervous.
familiar song that they
I'm
can
too nervous.
go? No, it's okay. I'm not gonna type.
I'm too nervous that,
What's
I
the
keep
song
on messing up.
that you usually play?
On what?
Jan.
Channel?
No, there.
Shit.
Yeah.
It's
Come on.
not- What?
Go, just play a song. Just a
I don't
1 minute song.
Yeah, I don't know what's going
Go.
Yeah,
Mahihain kasi ito Masyadong ako conscious.
yeah, just
Go.
we just got this.
Ano, come on. I wanna hear it. While I'm talking. Play it while I'm talking.
Yeah.
The camera is not on you. It's on me.
I don't know that.
Go.
Yeah, I don't know. I don't have like the.
Not, you don't have memory? In memory?
I don't remember.
You don't remember?
Yeah, I don't.
Well, go over there.
I don't know that.
Look at your music book.
Oh, I don't. That's not for viola.
O, mag-sample ka lang. Just play it. A little bit.
I don't know that. I don't know that. I don't know that.
What are you doing?
I forgot. I forgot that.
Kuha siya ng songbook.
I forgot.
Ayan. Go! I'm waiting for you. My video is still running. Yan, pakinggan nyo na lang siya.
Okay. Okay.
Sa internet lang siya. Yeah, okay, go.
Let me do something real quick.
Sa internet siya, tumitingin ng peace. Long ago? What's that? Okay, play it.
It's on the, yeah.
Okay, play it.
Hold on.
Mayayain eh. Okay, so tatapusin ko na to. No? I hope may natutunan yung mga first time parents, no? Mga expectant mothers ba tawag doon? Yung mga buntis ngayon. Subukan nyo, wala namang mawawala eh. No, magpatugtog kayo ng mga classical music, lalo na yung Mozart. Nagulat lang din kami. After 10-13 years, saka lumabas yung interest niya sa music. Hindi namin alam kung related ba doon or nasa genes niya na. We don't know. Pero I think it's a good thing. No? So, with that, I'm gonna end this video and see you next time. Bye.